Tips to teach money management to kids. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about how to teach your child about money management. Tip 1. Start early. It's never too early to start teaching your child about money. Even young children can learn basic concepts such as saving and spending. Tip 2. Lead by example. Children learn by example, so it's important to model good financial habits. Let your child see you saving money, paying bills on time, and making responsible financial decisions. Tip 3. Make it fun. Learning about money doesn't have to be boring. Make it fun by playing games that teach financial concepts, such as Monopoly or the Game of Life. Tip 4. Set goals. Help your child set financial goals, such as saving for a new toy or a special outing. This will help them learn the value of saving and delayed gratification. Tip 5. Give an allowance. Consider giving your child an allowance to help them learn how to manage money. This can be a great way to teach them about budgeting and saving. Tip 6. Teach them to budget. Help your child create a budget by setting spending limits for different categories, such as toys, clothes, and snacks. Tip 7. Encourage charitable giving. Teach your child the importance of giving back by encouraging them to donate a portion of their allowance or earnings to charity. Conclusion. Teaching your child about money management is an important part of parenting. By starting early, leading by example, making it fun, setting goals, giving an allowance, teaching them to budget, and encouraging charitable giving, you can help your child develop healthy financial habits that will last a lifetime. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more parenting tips and advice.